Come on in the house. We got some projects to do. Oh yeah. All right. Good morning, everybody. Well, sometimes it's really difficult, even as a handyman, to work on your own place. Okay? So what I decided to do, because I got a couple days off, I got Thursday booked. It's Tuesday. So I got today and tomorrow to deal with this. My coffee. Okay. This is my personal residence, as you guys know already. But I got to show some love to the second floor. Okay? I've already done all the work down here that I need to do. I've already painted. This place has been painted for years down here. Everything's pretty much the way I like it, the way it is, kind of thing. But let's go upstairs. All right, got the vacuum cleaner. All right, don't gross out. All right, don't gross out. Anyway, here we go. I got to shampoo the carpets. Now, I've been here 16 years, okay? Now, the second floor, I did a video of where I painted the hallway. At least I got this done, okay? And I did a deep cleaning, a super deep cleaning on the third floor and a deep cleaning on the second floor. But the one room is my office that I never seem to have never done anything to. But that's going to change today. Oh, yeah. Excuse me, I got tight quarters in here. I got all my furniture stacked in here. I feel like I'm moving. You know what I'm saying? Good God, man. But anyway, let's get on to the primary project. You can see I got all my crap out here. This is all just from one room. I got just too much stuff. But this is all the stuff my customers give me. Now, okay, here we go. This is a 70-year-old Persian rug. I really need to take it and get it professionally cleaned. That would be kind of a smart idea to do, but anyway, I've got some I got a shampooer here, so I'm going to shampoo the carpet, which this is a 16-year-old carpet too. I've always taken care of it. It's not a problem. I mean, it doesn't look terribly bad, but it could stand a good shampooing. I got my desk dismantled. There's the top to it right there. Office desk. But anyway, this is the flat contractor white, and over the years, it's really, really stained out. I even had a couple of roommates back in the day, and this was their room. This is the room I rented out for about 3 or 4 years. And it's taken some abuse. There's no doubt about it. And it needs some help. So I'm going to give it some help. I'm going to paint the ceiling. I'm going to paint the walls a dark gray. And anyway, and then shampoo the carpet. Shampoo everything. And get this room into something, man. And then hang all my paintings and put all my... This is where I do all my work, man. This is my office space. This is the second floor. When you're running a business, you can write off 600 square feet of your home for office. So, there's my other computer over there. So here's my 600 square feet office space. Okay. So, and I know you guys are going to hate me for this. You're going to hate me for this, okay? But you won't believe this. Guess what? I can take this off on my taxes. That's right. Office renovation expense. After 16 years, 14 running a business out of my townhome, I can also write off all the maintenance that I do to the office for upgrades, maintenance, and, general upkeep. So if you guys didn't know that, yes, you can write that off too. Oh yeah, you know me. I like saving money at every turn. That's the way it's got to be. So, and I'm gonna paint. I've been painting, and I do a lot of paint. I used to do a lot of painting videos. The tapers versus the freehanders. Oh, you won't believe it. I may freehand this whole thing. That's right, baby. No taping. But anyway, I wanted you guys to see that even I struggle sometime as a handyman. And I gotta paint this room too. Shit. This is next. This one's gonna be a bitch because this has got a bed in it and it's got a whole lot of furniture, bigger, heavier stuff, but it's all the same throughout the house. I got a lot of big pieces of furniture, and that's what you gotta contend with. Now I did get, you won't believe this, but I did get a bid on this, okay, from a female paint company. In fact, I actually met them on a job site, and the owner, who's the mom and the daughter, they're pretty good painters. I actually seen them paint one of my customers' house on the inside. It looked pretty good. And asked them what would they charge to paint this is before I did the hallway, but this room, the next room, the hallway, and the third floor, which the third floor is huge. As you guys know, of course, I can't get up there now, but that's one big solid room up there. And of course, paint all this and the vaulted ceiling, the whole 9 yards, everything. Well, guess what they quoted me? Guess what they quoted me? $1,400 labor. And I thought that was, that was pretty damn fair and reasonable. It's right there in the middle. I could have gotten probably some cheaper prices, but, sometimes, like I said, even me, painting my own stuff or doing work on my own stuff, man, you sit there and you put it off and you go, oh, I'm going to get to it. But I've been working at the farm. So the farm was a major priority. Now that I got everything squared away up there, I can concentrate on my crap. And I have, over the years, done a lot of improvements on this place. I just put a new roof on it. That got done. I did it, like I said, a super deep cleaning of this place, painted the hallway, and did a bunch of landscape work and things like that. It's just all general maintenance, stuff that you got to do all the time. Oh yeah, new washing machine. I put a new washing machine in it, but so far so good. My air conditioner down there, blessed soul, that you can see it right down there in the bottom corner. But that thing's been that's 16 years old. I gotta clean in this too. Look at this, man. All right, let me get started. I'll talk to you guys tonight. Doing maintenance on your own place. What can you say? But I gotta get it done. So I got the 2 days, today and Wednesday, and then I go back to work on Thursday, and I got a full day on Thursday. I actually worked all day Sunday staining a deck. And of course, I was at the farm when I did the Happy Mom's Day video and showing you all the stuff that I put on that wall in there, that building that I got. So really, Sunday was a full day. So I worked 5 hours staining this deck, and then I ran up to the farm and worked up there. And then Monday I had a bunch of projects, and I said, well, hell, I got Tuesday, Wednesday off. Let's do this. So let's do this. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you tonight. Hasta la vista.